BitView is a youth outreach program committed to bridging the gap between STEM exposure and higher education completion. Our mission is to contribute to the advancement of Maryland minority youth by fostering the fearless pursuit of post-secondary education through empowerment and inspiration. We provide opportunities for Maryland youth ages 15 to 18 to get exposed to coding and leadership programs and build the necessary hard and soft skills needed to be successful in STEM to improve their academic success, college readiness, and leadership skills. Let's get to the heart of the matter. There is a lack of racial, ethnic, and gender diversity in collegiate-level STEM programs, which inevitably leads to a lack of diversity in STEM careers. According to the National Science Foundation, the STEM workforce is 89% white and 72% male, while the overall workforce is 78% white and 53% male. Understanding that women and people of color are underrepresented in STEM professions, and with our mission in mind, at BitView, we stand firm in our belief that diversity in STEM is important as it increases the likelihood of scientific success, promotes economic growth and competitiveness, and increases the development of innovative solutions. Speaking of solutions, what is one of the things that BitView is doing to address this? According to the Journal of Negro Education, there is a strong correlation between imposter syndrome, high affirmation, and the feeling of belonging. BitView seeks to solve this problem by focusing on STEM exposure for minority high school students to build a foundation that helps with retention when they enter the college space. One way we go about this is through our Saturday Academy program. Through this program, we provide coding and leadership classes in addition to mentorship. These resources give our students the sense of belonging through a close-knit community, as well as the hard and soft skills necessary to pursue a STEM major and overcome imposter syndrome once they're in said STEM major. Let's take a look at video footage from our average Saturday Academy sessions.
When we talk about coding, which is also known as programming, what we're saying is that we want to write in certain languages, languages that computers understand, in order to create programs that can be used on different types of computers. So as a recap, previously we worked on for loops. We've been doing for loops for about a month and a half now, give or take. We've also been working on arrays. So today we're working on a project called Random Walker. I'm gonna show you guys what that looks like. So essentially what we're doing is creating a point that just randomly changes its position and its color throughout the run. So this is what it looks like on my screen. Okay, so this is just a single point, and it just continuously changes its position and its location, right? So what it does is end up filling the screen with this very nice, colorful pattern. I have the pseudocode, the boiler code written down, so I'll provide that and walk through it shortly. So I'd like to have a couple people showcase. You know, if you're able to finish the first, second, or third parts, maybe you can just share your screen, show us what you did.
So what I did was let everything be its own variable, like you initialize without declaring. It looks like that.
Very nice, very good.
And then when I click on it, it starts from where I clicked it.
Perfect. Can you show us how you did that second part, the clicking part?
Down here, I made a new function, mouse x equals mouse x, and y equals mouse y. So wherever I click it, that's where it starts at. Perfect.
Very good. Very nice. Thank you. Yeah, this looks really good.
So for the third part, we you had to make a function or like a step to where if you hold down the letter O, it would do circles instead of dots, and if you hold down S, it would do squares instead of dots. I used the boilerplate code to get this function key is down 79, and that is for when you press the letter O, and key is down 83 is for when you press S.
Yeah, very good. This is really nice. It's good to see that, and yeah, like what you did, creating a new function just to change for the speeds, and for the colors. Well, I think that's really good. Yeah, that's awesome. Yeah, good work, everyone. That's really good to see. Again, I hope you enjoyed that project as much as I did. When I found it, I thought it was pretty cool and nice to see.
So emotional intelligence is defined in science in the dictionary as the ability to monitor and regulate one's own emotions and your awareness of how one interacts with others. If you are working in computer science or engineering or any other STEM related thing, you're going to be working in teams most likely. And so having a high emotional intelligence is very, very important. But it's really a matter of like being able to navigate different people that you meet in life.
My background, that's the one of the large buildings at MIT, Massachusetts Institute of Technology. Every once in a while, if you get like 5-10 minutes, just go to a college website and dream big. Think about, visualize yourself on that campus. What will it feel like? What will it look like? And you're never too young to start learning. Just spend 10 minutes on it, 5 minutes here, 10 minutes there. You have some free time just to think about dreaming about your future.
Alongside those experiences, BitView participants also have the opportunity to have resume workshops, participate in events set by the BitView community, and also have access to informational sessions and posts all across the platforms that BitView uses on social media. Let's take a look at what the students of BitView have to say about the program.
One thing I really want to understand is why you're all here. I do want to know, why are you committing really to offer up your Saturday mornings for the next X amount of months? What is the drive? What is your passion? What is your goal? What do you want to gain from this?
For me, I do want to learn how to code and develop my leadership skills. That's why I'm giving up my Saturday mornings.
So for me, I also want to learn how to code because I've always wanted to, but I don't know, it just seemed hard.
Yeah.
And because I want to be a forensic scientist, and I could always, go to like the technician side. So I thought it would be like interesting.
So I really wanted to pursue something in the STEM career, and I wanted to learn coding better.
I'm here because I just want to work on my coding skills more. I've been coding since 2016.
I want to broaden my reach, actually. I plan to be a software developer when I graduate university.
Well, the reason why I decided to do the program, because one thing I want to do as a career is to be a video game designer, and as well as a programmer. So then I don't have to be depending on somebody else to program the game that I want to build. And on top of that, I just want to, get more in touch with other programming languages.
Well, thank you all for sharing. I think even though I use the term giving up your Saturdays, whenever you give something up, typically you only do that because you know you're going to get something better.
In this past year, BitView has been able to host 5 community events, including guest speakers, community building events, and panel discussions. We have been able to serve 38 students in total. We've hosted 26 lessons, including 7 leadership sessions and 19 coding sessions. And we've been able to grow our team to 11 college student and professional volunteers. We thank you for your support and are so excited to see through the mission and purpose of BitView together.